Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line notations are coming from. And after today's price movement, want to just make one, actually, let me just get rid of that line there. That doesn't serve a purpose as of right now. But the key dynamic here and the key general context before I get rid of this line is that I talked about this trend line here, and it was doing a great job, but today the price broke below it, and then you can see just struggled. So that's the overall context, is that we have a trend line that's been broken, and now there's some struggling attached to it. So just keep that in mind going forward, which is why this level of support now moving forward, I find very fascinating, very interesting. And that level is right up here at the 142.50 mark. 142.50 was essentially the level of support from back here. And then you look at it throughout the course of the day, and there's going to be a lot of eyeballs watching that level. And again, within the general context of that trend line has been broken, the price has been struggling. So by no means is that a guarantee that this level is going to fall and then continue to the downside. But my point here is it's at least a valid, it's at least a rational thought to have. So 142.50, like I said, is going to be a very intriguing level. On the flip side of things, this is where the first update comes into play, and this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted movement to the upside, key level going to be right here at right around the $150 mark. So keep an eye on 150. That'll be 151-ish area. That'll be a main level of resistance. If the price can't actually break up through that level, then not that far away, you then have the 200 period moving average, that pink line there, which is valued at 152.75. So keep your eye on those couple levels going forward. But all in all, nice movement. Yeah, pulled back, but the price did start to make its way upwards here a little bit. But from a trading standpoint, definitely great volatility today. Fantastic price movement. So we'll see if the price can continue to produce this kind of tradable opportunities moving into Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.